case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A typewriter repair company owner in San Diego, Harvey Ward Locke, sued the General Services Administration for lost profits after alleging a breach of contract for typewriter repair. Locke's name was printed in the supply schedule as the lowest bidder among 4 other San Diego repair companies. The plaintiff's contract was improperly terminated, which prevented him from potentially winning more business opportunities. In addition to the San Diego contract, Locke also sought damages for the government's refusal to accept his bid on a typewriter repair contract in Fort Worth. The main issue in the case was determining whether the plaintiff suffered damages due to the government's improper termination of the San Diego contract and refusal to accept the Fort Worth bid. The United States Court of Claims heard the case and ultimately considered both cases under the Rule 51 motion for summary judgment. The court granted the defendant's motion and denied the plaintiff's motion concerning the Texas contract, dismissing the petition. As for the California contract, both motions were denied, and the case was remanded to the trial commissioner for further proceedings in line with the court's opinion. The court's decision was based on the principle that if someone breaches a contract, they are responsible for damages that were likely to happen, but not for damages that were too remote or speculative.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.